Hello, and welcome to this tutorial for Contribute Cloud. In this tutorial, we are going to look at Contribute Cast, and specifically, as a teacher or a presenter, how you can cast your participants' or students' screen onto the LED. For this tutorial, we are assuming that your students have been correctly set up to cast. If they have not, please check out our tutorial on Contribute Cast, set up for students or participants. When the students or participants join the session and click on their share screens, they will appear in the Contribute Cast notifications window. Now you can click on the square icon in the bottom right-hand corner of any of the participants to cast up their screen onto the LED. Please note, at this point there is no mouse control for the teacher or the remote machine. This is something we will be adding in the future. In order to close the casting session, you need to click in the same square icon that can be found in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. You can now choose a different student's machine to cast by scrolling down your list and selecting the square icon once again. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon on the next Contribute Cloud tutorial.